Okay, so the first step that you're going to do in this exercise is they're going to share something with you, and then you're going to parrot it back. And I want to say something about this whole exercise. This whole exercise is like putting tires on a football field and running tires. Okay, before we go play real football, we take the tires back off, right? But for the exercise, we put tires down. So I'm going to ask you to do this exercise exactly like I'm doing it, even though sometimes people say it's a little weird and whatever, and I wouldn't really do this in real life. Well, this is running tires, right? This is practice, not actual game time. Okay. And we'll talk about how it applies in game time. So number one is to parrot it back. Okay. Now, Nate, I am going to, the second step is I'm going to get the emotional world of that. Okay. So not just, well, gee, Nate, you're really happy. Like I'm going to try and do a little bit, something a little more refined. So, Nate, I believe that first of all, dude, you're really happy. Like that is a complete and total stoker. I think that you're pleasantly surprised, like not because you're surprised that you have the ability to do this, but like it just kind of came in a surprising way. And so you're excited, you're happy, you're a little surprised and like pleasantly surprised. I got to imagine there's a little bit of trepidation and a little bit of like, oh my God, what did I get myself into? And what's this going to be like? And I think that there is also like, I feel like there's all of those emotions washing around on the top. And then underneath it all is this deep emotional knowing that this is why you're here.
Yeah.
Anything big I missed or anything I put in that didn't belong?
No, I think that really sums it up in a concise way. Yeah.
Okay, cool.